Hello everyone. Volvo S60. Front end repair. So, the car is in my workshop. Headlight and fender removed, electricians who fixed the wiring. Parts owner bought the colors of the car in good condition, so there will be no painting. Well, that's starting repair. What do I need to do? I'll be fixing the hood, fender, headlight, bumper, replaced. Radiator support will be fixed. Okay, I will disassemble it out before and start repairs. So, front end dismantled. Now I will make the necessary measurements. After measuring, I found out rails shifted a little to the left. What I was surprised, I didn't see any visible damage. Alright, I'll try to get the rails back in place. Gonna try to do like this. At the end of the left rail I will push. At the beginning of the right I will focus on the wall. Pushing rails and making measurements. And so, pushing the rails until they're in place. But you always have to pull over a little more. Metal is coming back a bit after weakening. The rails are in place. Now I'm gonna fix the radiator support. The radiator support is made of plastic and the piece is broken off. First I solder the broken piece. Then install and attach iron reinforcements. One last thing, hood repair. Hood is made of aluminium, so when repairing it should be heated. Since the parts were bought in the color of the car, the owner asked with the hood to be more careful. He doesn't want to paint it. With the hood all I could do. Now installing the details of the front, checking the gaps. Repair this car is complete. That's all for this time. Subscribe to my new videos. Bye.